She's social, she's sweet, and she's, I don't know, she's just the best.
So with News 12, they brought her into the Bethpage studios and they recorded her and absolutely loved her. And it was clear that she is an amazing dog.
Just her personality in general shines through as just a social little butterfly, basically.
And that took off really quickly with her getting noticed by celebrities like Paris Hilton with 20 million followers and her mother, Kathy Hilton, with over 1 million followers, and some other celebrities as well.
But Paris is still waiting for that one special person to take her home.
Rihanna, can you tell me something about your experience of fostering Paris?
Sure. So Paris is a dog from the town of Hempstead Animal Shelter. She's about 4 years old, and she likely had puppies before and was used for breeding. So she had a hard past. We wanted to try and get her adopted, so we started a social media campaign. And that took off really quickly with her getting noticed by celebrities like Paris Hilton with 20 million followers and her mother, Kathy Hilton, with over 1 million followers, and some other celebrities as well. We reached out to news outlets such as News 12 Long Island, and actually the Long Island Herald is going to feature her story and her journey as well.
Tell me more about how what happened with News 12.
Oh, so with News 12, they brought her into the Bethpage studios and they recorded her and absolutely loved her. And it was clear that she is an amazing dog and perfectly adoptable. So, yeah.
Now, what else did you do? Like a shopping spree or something?
Oh, yes. So Paris was she received lots of money from people who were supporting her on her social media to go on a shopping spree and have a private adoption event at Barkfield Road, which is a local dog boutique.
Also, I heard she had a lot of lovers.
Yes. So we started a campaign to, get her seen and have her, for people to send in letters of support to her. So she received so many letters from supporters all over the world. And they have a wall dedicated to all the letters that she received at the shelter.
Okay. So billboard, what happened with the Times Square billboard?
So when we were thinking of ways to get her seen and it helped her get some visibility, we got her a billboard in Times Square.
Oh.
And she was seen by so many people. She was shown every hour on the 15th minute, and yeah, it was wonderful.
Okay, so all these helped her get adopted.
Yes. And this week, actually, she just got adopted by a wonderful family, and it shows how important it is to foster because it helps dogs get adopted, like Paris.
What a good girl you are. She's social, she's sweet, and she's, I don't know, she's just the best.
Paris is a 4.5-year-old terrier mix with a big heart and even bigger personality. From princess costumes and wet kisses, this pup is proof that love can heal.
I think she went through a lot just based on her scars, her overbred body, but nothing has changed her personality, that's for sure.
Shelter staff say dogs like Paris, middle-aged, large breeds, often get overlooked.
Just her personality in general shines through as just a social little butterfly, basically.
And to make that personality shine a little bit brighter, Paris's former foster family created an Instagram account for the pup.
Clear the way, clear the way. Paris is coming.
And her story took off. From Instagram posts to a billboard in Times Square, Paris has captured hearts from all over. She gets love letters right now in the mail.
She literally has had people send her things from other states, toys, treats, beds. They comment on her social media, obviously. She's had a lot of reshares on her posts, but, she's still waiting.
Even celebrities have taken notice, including Paris Hilton and her mom Kathy, who shared a post about her namesake. But Paris is still waiting for that one special person to take her home.
She's just the biggest love bug you could imagine, and she's just still waiting for her forever home.
And until that day comes, this princess will keep shining, hoping to find her happily ever after.
Good girlie.
Hi, sweetheart. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Now sit for me. Who's a good girl? Sit. A good girl. Who's a good girl? Sit. Ooh. Let's go. Come on. Go. Go. Hi, baby. Sweetness. Who's a good girl? What do you want? A treat? You want a treat? Sit. What a good girl you are. You are. Num, num, num. Num, num, num.
Yes, good girl.